So my name's Adam and I run a business called Quality School Workshops. So I trained as an actor, I graduated in 2008. When I did that, theatre and education had a really bad name in the kind of industry. It had a bad name in education because lots of university courses were churning out theatre and education that was kind of untried and untested stuff. So it was annoying a lot of pupils and staff in schools. And also actors were notoriously badly paid. They still are a lot of the time, unfortunately. So I wanted to create something that kind of bridged that gap, that provided really quality performances in schools. So my favourite subject at school was drama and English, and I went on to take that for GCSE. So I took drama and music as GCSEs, and then I went to sixth form college, different sixth form college, and studied music technology and drama and theatre studies and an AVCE as it was then. I think they're now BTECs, but it was in performing arts, and that was a double award, so it was sort of the equivalent of 2 A-levels. So I ended up with 4 A-levels. And in my final year at sixth form college, I started auditioning for drama schools, so I auditioned for 4 and I got a place at the Guildford School of Acting. So I did my 3-year degree course there. I spent a year or so as a jobbing actor, but very, very quickly wound my way into teaching. So I tended to teach in drama schools. On courses whereby people who were 16 to 18 were looking to obtain places in 3-year degree courses. So it was sort of assisting them with their audition speeches and things. And I'm still very much in the performing arts field, but it's not the career I thought I was going to have. And now, of course, the running of the company means employing other people and creating new products and getting good at talking to teachers in schools, which is predominantly my target market. So that's been a kind of steep learning curve as well. But it's been fun to sort of learn about business and watch the business build.